ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः स्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि श्लोक नंबर 96, पेज नंबर 57। टीका। एवं कर्तृत्वन्वय अधिकारान्वय भोक्तृन्वय अनात्मानः
अन्वयानाम् आत्मनः।
What is, somebody has raised a question. कर्तृन्वय अधिकारान्वय भोक्तृन्वयानाम् आत्मनः परमार्थतो असंभवात् अनादि अविद्यावशात् देहेन्द्रियादावहं ममेति मिथ्याभिमानवत एव कर्माधिकारो मंत्रेण प्रदर्श्यते इति फलितम् आह। So in the previous three shlokas, in Atma, Kartranvaya is not there, Adhikara Anvaya is not there, and Bhoktru Anvaya is not there, it was shown. And therefore, Paramarthata it is not possible. Through Adhyasa it is possible, you can superimpose something. Asambhavad, Anadi Avidya Vashat, because of Anadi Avidya, in Deha Indriya Adau Aham Mama iti Mithya Abhimanavataha. The one who has Mithya Abhiman in Deha Indriya etc. because of Avidya, for that person Karma Adhikara is there. Eva Karma Adhikara Mantrena Pradarsyate iti Phalitamaha. Mantrena means it is given in the 96th shloka, Kurvan niti. Kurvan neveha karmani jiji vishe kshatam shama. So Purva Pakshi's question was, Upanishad or Shruti says you should keep doing karma and desire to live for 100 years. And you are saying, no, don't do karma. So Siddhanti says karma is for those who are ajnani. Avidyavashat, those who have their indriya aham mama tadatmya. Mulam yasmad anyatha nopapadyate. Anyatha, otherwise it is not possible, na upapadyate. Narabhimaninam tasmat karakadhyatmadarshinam mantra ahorarikritya kurvanniti na nirdvayam. Narabhimaninam tasmat karakadhyatmadarshinam mantra ahorarikritya kurvanniti na nirdvayam. Tasmat Narabhimaninam Karakadi Atmadarshinam Mantraha Urarikritya कुर्वन् इति आह न निर्द्वयम्। निर्द्वयम् उररीकृत्य मंत्र कुर्वन् इति न आह, किंतु नराभिमानिनम् कारकादि आत्मदर्शिनम् उररीकृत्य मंत्रः कुर्वन् इति आह। Urarikritya means accepting or keeping that in mind. So the Ishavasya mantra and all those mantras in the Vedas which say you should do this karma, that karma, they all are narabhimaninam urarikritya. That person who has manushyatva abhiman means he thinks I am manushya only. He is not able to think beyond this. And karakadi atmadarshinam. In karaka etc. means he sees oneself as either karta, karana, karma. Karma means bhokta. In this way he looks at oneself. To that person, Shastra says you have to do karma. Sitika. Narabhimaninam, naratva abhimaninam, manushyatva abhimaninam. Narabhimaninam means manushyatva abhimaninam. Karakadi atmadarshinam, kartritvadi atmadarshinam. The one who thinks I am karta, karana, sampradana, apadana, something. That person must do karma only. So we also should remember, if our kartritva bhava is very strong, we may listen to Vedanta, but we should be mentally prepared that we are not going to see any significant results of the study of Vedanta. Therefore, we have to do karma. Our kartritva bhava is very strong, or dehat, I look at myself as deha, other people as deha only. I can't see beyond deha. You should do karma. That is the mantra. So when they say sadhana chatushtaya sampannasya vedante adhikara, adhikara does not mean that he has a right. Then immediately people have, do you think I don't have right? He is qualified. If you are not qualified, you are not qualified. There is no point in shouting. It is where you are. This is the fact. So then I have to put forth more effort. That's all. And reduce my papa karma. If I do other gadbada, I will increase my papa karma, not reduce. Then next life also kurvanneveha karmani. Ishavasyam idam sarvam will not come. So kartritva, bhoktritva, pramatritvadishu atma abhimaninam avidyavantam angikritya kurvanneva ityadi mantraha karma kartavyam abhidhatte. The one who has kartritva, bhoktritva, pramatritva adi abhimana, for such ignorant avidyavantam angikritya, keeping such person in mind, svikritya, Veda mantra says kurvanneve karmani kartavyam abhidatte na nirdvayam, the one who is free from duality, naratvadi abhimana hinam vidyavantam na evam tvai nanyatetosti na karma lipyate nare iti shrutehe ityartha. Upanishad says, means Vedas, they say, this is the only way you will be protected from dushkarma. This is the only way. Evam prakare tvai jiji vishati nare naramatra abhimanini. Evam prakare tvai. Evam tvai. Tvai means jijivishati, the one who is desiring to live in this way, and the one who has naramatra abhimana. He never thinks I am a jiva or Brahma. I am Sharira only. Itaha. Itaha, where does itaha come?
Na anyatha itah.
Evam tvai nanyat hetostat. That itaha. Itaha. Etasmat karma kurvato vartamanat prakarat anyatha prakarantaram nasti. There is no other prakara. तस्मात् कर्म पूर्वतो वर्तमानात् प्रकारात् अन्यथा प्रकारांतरम नास्ति. येन प्रकारेण अशुभम कर्म न लिप्यते. That by which अशुभ कर्म लेप will not happen. कर्मणा न लिप्यते इति श्रुति अक्षर योजना. This is the way Shruti Aksharas should be understood. So this last line in Tika is beautiful. Yena prakarena ashubham karma na lipyate. Evam tvai nanyat hetosti na karma lipyate nare. Ashubha karma lepa, if you want to avoid, you must do karma. Otherwise, you will end up doing Ashubha karma, or even if you don't do Nishiddha karma, what you are supposed to do, you will not do, and you don't have that Vairagya. Vairagya from Deha. Deho hamityeva jadasya buddhi. Dehe cha jive vidushastvahandi. Then
विवेक विज्ञानवतो महात्मनो ब्रह्माहमित्येव मतिः सदात्मनि.
विवेक विज्ञान वतो महात्मनो ब्रह्मात्मनि ब्रह्मात्मनित्येव मतिः सदात्मनि. So person who has viveka vijnana, his knowledge is aham brahma. Person who is jada dehoham, in between person is jivo. So if deha bhavana, now imagine all sukha dukha, if the sanyoga is with deha sambandhi sukha dukha, if I give too much importance, then dehatma bhava is strong. And then I have to do karma. Kurvanneva. Karma means somebody says, oh, I don't know what karma I have to do. I am not having any work, etc. But I have dehatma bhava. What should I do? So then karma means you do more nitya karma. You do more japa, more puja, more some chanting, more study. But Brahma Vidya study, if it doesn't make as much sense, or some people are there, they say, I have studied everything and nothing has happened. There are people, I always wonder, see, to teach Raman Maharshi's text is the easiest, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
No, I want to know if people in general think like this or not. Do you agree or not?
No, Swamiji.
No, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Because you don't
No,
need
Swami.
Vyakarana. You don't need Vyakarana. You don't need Nyaya. Shlokas are small and simple. There is no Bhashya Tika on those granthas. Some English translation is there, and you speak on it. What is there? What I want to say is this. How many people, after speaking on his granthas, left their home and lived on one place in the mountain for 40 years? Nobody. To give that pravachan is very easy. To become like him is difficult. That Dehatma Bhava is so strong. That's why we don't see every other person becoming Ramana Maharshi Ji. How he left everything. He threw away whatever he had in the pond and never came down from the hills. Others will read about that, talk about it, but not do anything. In Vedanta, that Vairagya counts for maximum. So those who can't take this big step, for them small steps are there. You can take this, do this, do this. Do more Nitya Karma at least, if you cannot let go of the house. Socialize less. Anyatha prakarantaram nasti. There is no other option for such people. Yena prakarena ashubham karma na lipyate. Karmana na lipyate iti shrutyakshara yojana. Further, Virahaya iti. Virahaya was said in 19th shloka. 19th shloka. Virahaya kriyam naiva samhanyante padanyaphi na samastya padam vakyam yatsyat jnana vidhayakam. This is what was said, that you need a kriya, and kriya will be a vidhayaka kriya. Then only the set of padas will become meaningful. Therefore, karma is must, and you cannot let go of karma. You cannot do karma sannyasa. Tacha nirasyati yacha uktam virahaya iti. In Moolam, yacha uktam virahaya iti. Tadapi na samyageva. That is also not correct. Tika. Soyam devadattaha, soyam grama, ityadi vakyeshu. क्रियापदम अंतरेणापि वाक्यार्थ प्रतीतेर दर्शनात् न वाक्यार्थ प्रतीतौ क्रियापदापेक्षेति भावः सोयम देवदत्तः सोयम ग्राम इन सच वाक्य क्रियापदम अंतरेण अदर देन द क्रियापद वाक्यार्थ प्रतीतेः दर्शनात्. पूर्व पक्षी मीन्स सिद्धांति इज आस्किंग टेलिंग मीमांसा. Siddhanti says, Soyam Devadatta, what is the Kriyapada there? There is no Kriyapada. Soyam Gramaha. This is that same village. What is the Kriyapada? But still Vakyartha Pratiti happens. Vakyartha Pratiter Darshanat. Na Vakyartha Pratitau Kriyapada Apeksha iti bhava. For Vakyartha Pratiti, to get the cognition of the sentence, Kriyapada is not needed. Kriyapada apeksha na iti bhava. Purvapakshi Mimamsaka will say, there is some Kriyapada there. Nanu tatrapi pashya, gaccha, iti Kriyapadam prayuktavyam eva. Soyam devadattaha pashya, soyam grama gaccha. In this way, and he uses lot lakar only. Pashya gaccha means instruction, some vidhi is there. क्रियापदम प्रयोक्तव्यम एव तन्न प्रयुज्यते. सिद्धांति सेज ओके द्वारम विव्रियताम इति अर्थे द्वारम इति प्रयोगवत् इत्याशंक्य. So let us say somebody says instead of dwaram vivriyatam, so dwaram means the door, vivriyatam means you open, they use it either way, open the door. So they will just say door, and you see door is closed, so you open it. Vri varne dhatu is there. So in such cases, only the prayoga says dwaram. Iti eva prayogat. Iti prayogavat iti ashankya. Purvapaksha says evam api, still Vipriyatam can mean close also, huh? But in some places it is given as open, because for closing pidehi, that is the kriyapada that generally they use, pidehi. Dwaram pidehi means shut the door. So somebody will just say dwaram and it is open, so you know it is to be closed. Tad vakyartha pratipatti upayogi क्रिया विधायिन एव पदस्य अध्याहरणीयत्वात् प्रवर्तक क्रियापदम एव अध्याहरणीयम इति नियंतुम अशक्यत्वात्. तद वाक्यार्थ प्रतिपत्ति उपयोगी क्रिया विधायिनः. पूर्वपक्षी says, look, even if somebody just say dwaram, you have to do adhyahara of some kriyapada. Kriya abhidhayina eva padasya adhyaharanya. And that pada which is adhyahara, whose adhyahara you will do, it has to be a kriyapada which will tell you to do something. Kriya abhidhayina eva padasya adhyaharaniyatvat pravartaka kriyapadam eva adhyaharaniyam. And that kriyapadam should be pravartaka. It should be prompting you, do this, do that. It is vidhi vakya. Siddhanti says, iti niyantum ashakyatva. Every time, it need not be do this, do that, see this, go there, etc. Vedanta vakyeshu cha asi, asmi ityadi kriyapadasya abhyupagatvatvat na kaschit doshaha iti aha tathapitu iti. In Vedanta vakya, tattvam asi, asi is kriyapada. It is not asking you to do something. Aham brahma asmi, asmi is the kriyapada. It is not asking me to do anything. So asi, asmi ityadi kriyapadasya abhyupagatvatvat na kaschit dosha. There is no dosha. Ityaha tathapitu in mulam na ya kachit kriya yatra kvacha adhyaharaniya किंतु यत्र अभिप्रेत संबंधम घटयितुम शक्नोति आकांक्षां च वाक्यस्य पूरयति सैव अध्याहरणीय. Siddhanti says, anywhere and everywhere any kriya adhyahara need not be done and should not be done. Na ya kachit kriya yatra kvacha adhyaharaniya. Any kriya adhyahara anywhere If a Vakya does not have a verb, what you should do? Kintu ya yatra abhipreta sambandham ghataitum shaknoti. There where some abhipreta sambandha means that which is a desired sambandha, ghataitum shaknoti. It can give you that meaning, that understanding. Shaknoti. Iti akansham cha vakyasya purayati. And it also fulfills the akanksha of the vakya. Saiva adhyaharaniya. Only that adhyahara should be done. Not anything. Evam vishishta cha kriya asmabhihi abhyupagata eva. Evam vishishta cha kriya. In this way, vishishta kriya asmabhihi abhyupagata eva. By us, such kriya is accepted. Like asmi, asi, it is appropriate for that vakya. Satu upaditsita vakyartha avirodhini eva na abhutartha pradurbhava phala iti. Sa kriya to upaditsita vakyartha avirodhini. That upaditsita vakya, that vakya which is taken for discussion, kriya should be avirodhi of that. Number one. Avirodhini eva. And not necessarily abhuta artha pradurbhava phala. That whose result is not there and it will produce the result. Utpatti, apti, samskarya, vikarya, only that will be the phalam of such kriya is not necessary. It can be kriya for something else. See tika. Na abhutartha pradurbhava phala iti. Phala iti utpatti vikriti adi phala na bhavati ityartha. So its phalam need not be utpatti, apti, samskriti, vikriti, etc. Na abhutartha pradurbhava phala iti atra iti shabdasya hetvarthasya asmi ityadi kriyapadam iti anena sambandha. Na abhutartha pradurbhava phala iti in this atra iti shabda, this iti shabdasya hetvarthasya, it is for hetu artha. Hetu arthasya asmi ityadi kriyapadam iti anena sambandha. Na abhutartha pradurbhava phala iti. That iti says like asmi. Hetvarthasya asmi ityadi kriyapadam. So that asi, asmi, what is said, it is referring to such kriya. And it is not something which is not existing and will be produced. Such kriya padas are bhutartha phala, not abhutartha pradurbhava phala. Something which is already siddha. Siddha artha bodhaka vakya. Natu karya artha bodhaka vakya. Kuto na abhutartha pradurbhava phala. Why it is not abhuta artha pradurbhava phala? Means why it is not producing something new, etc. In other words, what is the example of something where some such new thing is not produced? So he said that is called Atma. See, some lakshanas of Atma are given. Shadbhava vikara rahita. Atma vastuna. Atma vastu which is Shadbhava vikara rahita. Bhava vikara means jayate, asti, vardate, viparinamate, apakshiyate, vinashyati. They all are vikara only for a bhava padartha, not abhava padartha. That's why Shadbhava vikara rahita Atma vastuno nirdhuta ashesha dvaita anarthasya. Ashesha Dvaita. Now you see, Dvaita means anartha. Ashesha Dvaita anarthasya. Any Dvaitam is anartha. Manodrishyamidam Dvaitam
Yat
Kinchit Sacharacharam. Manaso Hyamani Bhave Dvaitam Naivopalapyate. Atma Satyanubodhena Nasankalpayate Yada. Amanastam Tadayati Grahya Bhave Tadagraham. Mandukya Karikas. So, Ashesha Dvaita Anarthasya Aparadhina Prakashasya. Atma is Swayam Prakasha, not Paradhina Prakasha. Vijijñapa Ishitatvat, that which is revealed. Jnapa Ishita. So, in this, what pratyas are there?
Nijanta San.
Then,
Jnapayishita ktha.
Nishta
San. San pratyay is there. Nich pratyay is there. And Nishtha pratyay is there. All are there. Jnapaitum Ichha, Jnapayisha, like Jignasa. So, Jnapaitum means Nich pratyay is there. That's why that E has come. Shakar is because of San pratyay. And Jnapayishita is Nishtha pratyay. In other words, Upanishad has the desire to reveal Swayam Prakasha Brahma, free from 6 vikaras, devoid of all Dvaita, that from which all Dvaita is gone. Nirdhutam Ashesha Dvaitanartham Yasmat. Iti Nirdhuta Ashesha Dvaitanartha Atma. And it is revealed by a Vakya where Asi, Asmi are the Kriyapada. Asi, Asmi ityadi Kriyapadam. Swamahima Siddhartha Pratipadana Samartham. That Swe Mahimni Pratisthita Brahma, which is a Siddha Artha, not something which is Sadhya. Siddha Artha Pratipadana Samartham Abhyupagantavyam. Na Viparita Artha Pratipadana Param. That Kriyapada is not doing any Viparita Artha Pratipadanam. Viparita Artha Pratipadanam, some Drishtanta will be given. Tika. Anartha Nivritti Artham api na Kriya Adhyahara Apeksha. Even for Anartha Nivritti, Kriya Adhyara is not to be done. It is already, that is how Atma is. Nirdhuta iti. Tarhi Pratiti Artham Apekshitam iti ataha aparadhina. It is not paradhina prakasha. It is aparadhina prakasha. Swayam prakasha is there, so no other prakasha is needed. Uktam eva artham drashtantena upapadayati. This meaning he reveals by drashtanta. Dhavediti nadanarthe padam yadvat prayujyate एधित्यादि तथा नेच्छेत स्वतः सिद्धार्थवाचिनी धावेदिति न दानार्थे पदं यद्वत् प्रयुज्यते एधित्यादि तथा नेच्छेत स्वतः सिद्धार्थवाचिनी धावेदिति. So there is a Vakya in Veda. Hiranyam Dadyat. It is given in the Tika. Hiranyam Dadyat. Iti etasmin arthe. So you should give Hiranyam. It is for Dana artha. There, Dhaved Kriyapada you should not give. In the Dana artha, Dhaved is not it. Dana is Dadyat. Dhaved iti padam na danarthe yadvat prayujyate. Tatha स्वतः सिद्धार्थवाचिनी एधि इत्यादि न इच्छेत। स्वतः सिद्धार्थवाचिनी ब्रह्मणि आत्मनि, आत्मा विच इज स्वतः सिद्ध अर्थ प्रतिपादक वाची, in that edhi is lot lakara. It is given on the next page, you see in टीका। इत्यादि पदम धावेद हिरण्यम धावेद इत्यादि पदम अयोग्यत्वात् यथा न प्रयुज्यते तद्वत् एधि भव इत्यादि पदम वृद्ध्यादि विकारहीन आत्मवस्तु प्रतिपादक वाक्येन वाक्ये न प्रयोक्तव्यम इत्यर्थः। वाक्ये न नहीं, वाक्ये न प्रयोक्तव्यम इत्यर्थः। हाँ, वाक्ये न प्रयोक्तव्यम। एधि इति एतद् अस्तेर धातोर लोट मध्यम पुरुष एकवचनम। अस भूई धातु लोट लकार मध्यम पुरुष एकवचनम विल बी एधि। एधि देन द्विवचन विल बी
स्थम स्थ
स्तम त त स्तम स्त, बहुवचन will be sta. So this shloka says inappropriate kriya pada you should not add, like dana arthe dadyat should be there, not dhave. In the same way swata siddha vastu, you use lot lakar and try to say do this or do that, it is not needed. Now concluding shlokas are there, 3 shlokas. ननु तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यानां स्वतः सिद्धार्थ वाचकत्वम असिद्धम तेषां तद अहम अस्मि इति उपासित इति उपासना विधिपरत्वात् इति अत आह। Somebody says तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्य, they are not स्वतः सिद्धार्थ वाचक वाक्यस, they are not revealing something which is already existing. Then तेषां अहम अस्मि इति उपासित, you should do अहम ग्रहोपासना etc. उपासना विधि परत्वात् इति अतः न च यथोक्त वस्तु वृत्त प्रतिपादन व्यतिरेकेण तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यम वाक्यार्थांतरम वक्ति इति शक्यम अध्यवसायितुम इत्याह। तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्य is not doing anything other than yathokta vastu vritta pratipadana. What is already existing, only it is revealed by these vakyas. Other than that, tad vyatirekena vakyarthantaram na vakti, it doesn't speak of any other vakyartha antaram, anyad vakyartha. In this way, iti, or you do anvaya of nacha, yes, nacha adhyavasatum shakya. In this way, you cannot do any other superimposition on tattvamasyaadi vakya. It has only one prayojana, to reveal what is already existing. Tattvamasyaadi vakyanam swatah siddhartha bodhanat अर्थांतरं न संद्रष्टुं शक्यते त्रिदशैरपि तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यानां स्वतः सिद्धार्थ बोधनात् अर्थांतरं न संद्रष्टुं शक्यते त्रिदशैरपि। तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्य स्वतः सिद्धार्थ बोधनात् अर्थांतरम, other than the स्वतः सिद्ध अर्थ बोधनम, त्रिदशैहि अपि संद्रष्टुम न शक्यते. Tridasha means devatas, because it is said they live always same age, 30. 30 is a big actually age, but they live 30 years. So they are, even devatas cannot change the meaning of Tattvamasi other than the only meaning स्वतः सिद्ध अर्थ अवबोधनम. टीका उपक्रमोपसंहारादि षड्विध लिंगादिगत परिनिष्ठित वस्तु प्रतिपादन तात्पर्य विरोधात् इत्यर्थः. If you come out with any other meaning, it will have virodha with upakrama, upasamharadi, shadvidalinga, lingadigata, parinishtita vastu. That parinishta means something which is already existing. That its pratipadana tatparya alone is there in shadvidalinga of Upanishads. There will be virodha if you come out with any other. What is the shloka? Upakramopasamhara
अर्थवादोपपत्ति च लिंगं तात्पर्य निर्णये
अर्थवादोपपत्ति च लिंगम तात्पर्य निर्णये यत् पुनः पूर्ववादिनो उपसंहृतमतः सर्वाश्रमाणाम इति तत्र आह. And Purvavadi said, Purvapakshi, that final matam was this. All ashramas, they should do their karma. Ashrama, varnashrama, dharma, karma, everybody should do. This is what he said in 21st shloka. Yasmadevam atah sarvashramanam tu वांगमनः काय कर्मभिः स्वनुष्ठितैर्न मुक्तिः स्यात् ज्ञानादेव हि सायतः. अतः सर्वाश्रमाणां तु वांगमनः काय कर्मभिः स्वनुष्ठितैर्न मुक्तिः स्यात् ज्ञानादेव हि सायतः. Purvapakshi had said, therefore, sarvashramanam tu vang mana kaya karma bhihi swanusthita karma one should do. And by that, what will happen? Yatha Shakti Mukti Syad. If you do Yatha Shakti karma, you will get Mukti. Siddhanti says, Na Mukti Syad. Purvapakshi said Mukti Syad. He said Na Mukti Syad. Jnana Deva hi sa. Mukti will happen through Jnanam alone. So there is no tika on this. Further on 100 now. So Upasamhrita Mata was this. So Purvapaksha went on up to 22nd. And it was said in that 22nd that these people, because they do so many rituals and so much smoke comes out, that smoke has filled their head. Iti hrishtadiyam vachaha swaprajna dhvat chetasam dushyante yajnashalasu umanadadiyam kila. Their buddhi is clouded by this dhuma. Tatra cha asmabhirapi yaduktam iti hrishtadiyam ityadi tadapi yuktam eva uktam. Said then that this is those who are puffed up by the karma and the accomplishments of karma. They think karma is so great, karma is so great. Their buddhi is clouded by all the smoke. Either you call smoke or that ahankara which is there. Mulam tasmacha karanat etadapi upapannam, and therefore the conclusion is this. Etadapi upapannam. Swamanoratha sanklipta prajnadhvat diyamataha shrotriyeshveva vachastaha शोभन्ते नात्मवेदिषु स्वमनोरथ संक्लिप्त प्रज्ञाध्मात धियामतः श्रोत्रियेष्वेव वाचस्ताः शोभन्ते नात्मवेदिषु. These vachah, taha vachah, those speeches, shrotriyeshu eva shobhante. Shrotriya means those who do only Veda Parayana, Veda Karma. They are called Shrotriya. Here means Veda Shrotriya. Teshu eva shobhante, na Atma Vedishu, not for Atma Jnanis. And who are those Shrotriyas? Swamanoratha Sanklipta Prajna Adhvata Dhiyamata. Swamanoratha Sanklipta Prajna Adhvata Dhiyam Atah, therefore, those who have their own manoratha by which they do kalpana and such intelligence they have, on the strength of that they shout or proclaim something. It is only true for those who are into continuous Veda Parayana, Veda Dhyana, all those things. Those who are not into Vedanta, those who have not thoroughly conducted inquiry, for them it may be okay, not for Vedantins. इति श्रीमद् शंकर भगवत पूज्य पाद शिष्य सुरेश्वराचार्य कृतौ नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धौ प्रथमोध्यायः. In this way, Pratham Adhyaya is over and the Tika on that by Jnanottama Mishra is also complete in the Naishkarmya Siddhi Chandrika. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.